Yeah, Chance blew his face up. We're actually just barbecuing, but figure since we're here, we'll actually get some more stuff done with the 6-piece since we're kind of waiting for like some guys to come check it out. But we're gonna put the rear ABS lines on here because I've been lagging that because I'm just lazy. You come over here. We got the ABS lines right here. Here's one of them. Here's two. All right, we got the wheel off, and the sensor is just right over here. So you can see, we're gonna unclip it right here, unclip it. I'm gonna have to take this 10 mil bolt off right here, and it should be one more 10 right here actually. You can see it right here. Take that off, and hopefully this comes off in one piece. If not, we got to break it off like the fronts when they get welded on, basically after time. So let's go ahead and do that. We got the old ABS. It actually came off one piece. So see, the other side does too. My traction light comes on still, no matter I replace the front ones. So we're gonna try the rear ones. Hopefully that makes that go away. But yeah, got a new one here. Comes with new clips. So if you ever break this one right here, you can just it'll come with a new one. So this could just come right off. And then comes with a new bracket, like of this as well. So this should be a pretty simple install. So let me put this on. On the new ones, it actually says left and right. I didn't know that, so go ahead and use the left one or use a proper one for the proper side. Look at that. ABS line all in. Everything's easy. I'm gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna show you guys, but just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to do the ABS sensors in the rear. I've been procrastinating this for the longest. This weird hair. I know you don't. I don't know. I'm pretty sure you don't recognize him because Chance used to be white, but
I got toasted.
He got toasted. He's an extra toasted cheese it today. Welcome back. We got Mariah here doing another 4Gen content. These True Hearts, after about a few weeks, they drive pretty good the way I have it set. As you've seen how I set it, I preloaded it. I believe I recorded it. But for True Hearts, I'm very surprised how they ride. But we did not slam the car. We literally have it to almost the max setting of heightness. But yeah. So anyways, well, waiting for wheels to get made or finish up for her. We actually got brakes and drill slotted rotors for her car for the front and rear, which are we gonna put on right now. We're not gonna probably paint the calipers today, but maybe in another video we will. But yeah, we got the drill slotted rotors. I think I'll put the price right here. Very cheap, came with everything, like brake pads, everything. And this is not a race car, which is a daily driver, so this is gonna work perfect. You don't have to go fully crazy on these because, like I said, it's daily driver. So let's get this on, and I'll show you the before right now. And we'll show you the after right after we finish.
Cinematics.
Here's cinematics.
It's an educational video.
Cinematics.
No, just kidding.
No, do it. I'm gonna go around you.
Get the Infinity
Yeah.
Watch.
Yeah, no, stay right here. Yeah.
Now you gotta have the packs while you
Go. Just do
I
it.
don't have no packs. That's not, you can't post that.
all flavor.
Nobody watches anything. If it's not TL related, they don't watch it. It could be a Civic, like Christian Civic, blowing up, catching on fire. 100 views. I put a TL spark plug into a TL. 20,000 views. I'm like, what the fuck? They don't want to watch nothing besides TLs. And that's all because of you, and you for driving TLs.
I'm the OG on your channel. OG, man.
Yeah, I used to do your little pop-up. I don't know if you remember those. Remember those? Like I put your body in.
Hard.
I have that clip still. I should just do that. I'm back. All right. Welcome to another video. We are here with Mike from Modesto /Fresno because he's both of us. I can't believe you're really using that screwdriver. It's cringing.
What do you mean?
Oh man, I use the big boy.
For what?
But yeah, we actually putting his calipers together. He actually got it powder coated, so normally when you do this, you don't have to do this, but it's just a little extra step. But he's getting that off. He already cut everything, so we're not gonna show you too much, but it's just like my video when we put him in. But yeah, his is just way nicer and powder coated. And we got a few other guys we're gonna be messing with, but yeah, just wanted to let you guys know what we're doing. I'll keep you guys update what we're doing, but yeah, we're putting in the pistons back in. All right, we got Laz, your favorite Laz over here. If you guys are doing this and need the torque specs, these are 30
videos a week now, Demi.
Yeah, these are 32 foot-pounds. If you, just in case you guys are interested in it. But yeah, we're watching it, and then we're gonna finish putting the bleeder valves on, and then we'll be almost ready to start putting these on. This is a kit from K Prime Customs. Instagram right here. Mine actually came with a letter too. His got delayed, but what's cool about him is that literally he'll handwrite a letter, and he's just super dope. So yeah, we're opening up the kit, and we're gonna be getting this on. Watch the other video for the full step, but I'll skip this part for you guys. Oh, yours come with confetti. Mine didn't come with confetti. Damn. What do you think, Laz? You approve of it?
Damn, why you gotta be so damn close?
Oh yeah, so we're putting in some pre-CDs. No, PCDs.
Not PCPs.
PCPs?
PCP is a drug.
You fucking dodo.
So he has, I think he has two different kinds, right? Disney?
No, they're both. No, they're both the same. Why are you trying to lie?
Show him it. Show him the brand new. Huh?
You don't say that on the video.
Okay, like they care.
No, yeah, Laz got an RV6 in the front, and then he. Oh no,
RV6 in the back.
RV6 in the rear.
Who knows what the fuck the other one is? Ask Eric.
RV6 in the rear.
Eric
And
said
then-
they're RV6.
And then you got the I don't know. That one didn't have a plate like this, so I'm not too really sure.
You got the off-brand PCBs. Hey, whoa, come on, bud.
We got Laz. We got Mythik. And then we got Baller Tim over there. You probably haven't seen him in quite a bit of videos.
And that tends to be the most popular
Tim
one.
had the
Now
main
it's Jose.
Hey, Tim used to be the main head inside every video before.
He was the main head.
That's who used to do the intros and outros and everything.
He made Mythik Customs.
No, I just bought a lot of things within 2 months.
Liar, baby.
Reflex.
It's two fucking,
You had Mythik working?
210 mils.
What are you
Jose, give me an extension.
What are you doing? Taking out your bumper? What size? Half?
No, extension, food.
That's why, by half?
Yeah. I need a long one.
Demi, I need an extension.
Hold on, my fucking head's heavy as fuck, bro.
Dimitri, I need an extension. You have it on that gun?
Give him a baby extension.
You have the.
It's over there.
Where?
It's
Hold
on the
on, my
tray.
neck is fucking hurting.
Oh, the sockets are.
No,
Right
there's
here.
none. You have it on that little. On that little.
Baby extension.
No,
This is not a, this is a half one here, no?
no. You need the ones on the.
He needs to.
I need that one.
There you go. He doesn't even have a ratchet.
Oh,
for
he
it.
has a small one, huh?
Get out with baby ratchet, fool. What the fuck?
I thought he had a big one. I thought I remember.
Dodo?
Oh my.
I remember. I get. Oh, he has both of them.
Did he really?
Yeah.
It's not coming off. Are you fucking serious?
You get that? You didn't get that?
No.
Are you fucking serious? I didn't know this one had a release on it.
What happened?
It has a release button on it. I didn't know that.
Come on,
No, usually they have just the
Did
pull.
you get that? Did you get that?
No.
No.
I buy the ones with the pull.
I was recording, but I wasn't looking that way.
I got you. I gotta get underneath there.
Here, I got it. You sure?
Yeah.
You
That's dirt, nigga. That's not a puddle. That's dirt.
got a little puddle. That's how big the puddle was.
10 mil if you're done with it.
Yeah, here.
Actually, no, I have one. I got one. I got one. Oh, you just scratched your light. Oh, you just scratched your bumper.
Big squad, best.
When you bring too many guys to do one install.
Hey, if I wipe it off, it'll show me where it leaked from.
Yeah, if you wipe your ass, it'll show you where the shit came from. Record it. Hey, he's teasing you, Melon, not me.
He's blackmailing me.
He's blackmailing me. He's too.
Where's the blackmail at?
Hey, whoa. We got people cutting hair. That one's dope for Melon. Oh, I actually might put that one with 6 speed.
I'm gonna put it on my car.
Oh, what do you mean?
Huh?
Or what is it mean?
Okay.
Yeah,
Hey, give me the, where's the 12? Is there a 12?
Oh. Did you really use that big thing?
No, I didn't.
Damn, what the fuck?
Did you get that? Are you still recording?
Yeah.
He's recording my fucking face.
Yeah, I was recording his.
Why were you in his shorts?
DB, you're hella gay.
No, he was.
You guys are hella gay.
You blowing it in my fucking armpit or what?
I was blowing it under you so it goes up.
Your car's smoking.
Something's wrong. Why is it smoking?
Your asshole smoking. For sure, this one's gonna get.
We turned Demi's channel into our car channel into a 420 friendly car channel.
420.
Ow. Yeah, look how dirty that shit was, bro.
Go on this.
Damn.
Say wallah.
Damn it, man, I quit.
More airflow.
My own car.
You talking?
Right now.
You talking about the guy in the middle doing something?
After you're done.
I don't understand what you need to get done still.
I just need to tighten the bolts, but I need.
Bro, you be like me, bro. I don't got no bumper clips, none of that shit. All I got is 2 screws and that's it.
I know, but it's holding my lip up. Bro, I can reverse it. I'm trying to figure it out
Yeah! Yeah, this time it fell out, yeah!
Now we know the plastic work, removing the plastic.
Why are you just...
Made out of steel. This shit's heavy. Those are heavy.
It's okay, you're gonna hook.
Those are heavy cars, bro.
You're gonna hook though.
Nah, 2 J's in this motherfucker.
Flying. I feel like if you really weight reduct the TL, them motherfuckers are fast.
Honestly, I don't think it'll fit. I think you have to cut into your fender, into your firewall. No.
Yeah, you
I don't think it'll. I don't even think it'll still fit.
It will.
But that would be kind of dumb because the turbo and everything will be facing like this way. Oh, I'm still recording.